Hey guys, it's Vince with CG Vinyl Studio, and it's a little bit after 3 o'clock, and we are running the P7000 and knocking out some custom graphics on our Aqua vinyl. Now, we had a client contact us who wanted custom car show graphics for his vehicle, and again, these are going to come out real nice, once again supporting US Marines. So I wanted to show exactly what you can expect with the different color arrays on this material, because again, we still are getting tons and tons of questions about this, and to see it, it's really just something you have to work with and see up close and personal. And again, the best I can do is shoot in 4K and give you guys an example of what you're looking at when you print with this. Now again, the P7000 does have a really nice color spectrum, but you can see as it's going through the printer what it looks like. And I definitely want to thank all our service members out there. Again, this gentleman was very kind and he really wanted these, and this is something that I've had for a while. I just remastered the colors and I think it really made a difference. But this material is so easy to work with as far as really dialing in all of your colors. It really lays them down more like a paint, and that was what I was really looking at doing, because again, most of the graphics you see on the market, they're just not, the vinyls are just not that vivid. See it coming through. And I cannot emphasize enough, do not believe that a $100 printer with this substrate is really going to give you the result you're looking for. You really want to stay probably in that $300 to $500 range for a quality inkjet printer. Better quality print head, higher resolution, and you are really going to get some amazing results. Yeah, we're starting to bleed through now. Once again, just a little after 3 o'clock, so it's really nice. If you do work from home, we both do, and it's awesome to think we can clean up orders whenever we want. And right now, we'll either, get ready to do putting groceries away at this point and whatever else you have to do, and in the meantime, the robot's working. So you can handle this then whenever you want. And as I said in previous videos, I don't know many part-time jobs that let you do this and make full-time income. Once those colors come through the bottom, then you'll really get to see what I'm talking about in level of detail. Vinyls that are more like paper, guys, more like matte vinyl, they are not going to let the ink sit on top, giving you that real vivid color spectrum you're looking for. We get a lot of questions on that. That's why I'm not always a fan of matte vinyl, especially for auto graphics. You want something to pop, something that resembles more like paint, then you're definitely going to want a vinyl that is glossy and that allows the ink to sit on top without penetration. And now, and again, this isn't laminated yet, but you can definitely see those colors on what they look like. Really amazing. Guys, we have the print out of the printer and it is ready to go, but I wanted to show you what I'm talking about. If you look at how these graphics turned out, these are not laminated. This is just the material, and you can see how this ink literally just lays on top, just like a painted surface. Now, in comparison to matte vinyl, which is more like a paper, and you can see how it's still again, a very high quality vinyl. It's just a question that these are different substrates. This projects these images much, much better. And you even have a high gloss on this, even though we do not have lamination yet. So again, we're going to laminate it. I'll show you the finished product after it's been cut, and you can check it out. Okay, we are now loaded in the Summa, and again, you can see we've got our rollers all set up. Joanna's going to go in, take the M16 Alienware, and get everything set up for Vinyl Master.
Okay, we've got 155 and 2 passes.
Now she is doing 2 passes on this because this material, again, a little bit thicker, it's way more durable, and doing 2 passes assures a really nice clean cut. She's right now aligning the head for registration. Takes a couple seconds, and there we go. You guys will see that gloss when this comes through, because of course it's laminated now, and you basically have a painted finish. You'll see that when it goes through. Yeah, look at that gloss. Just so everyone is aware, to all my novice people out there with vinyl, doing 2 passes simply means that we're cutting our cuts twice. And why we do that, by retracing them, we assure ourselves that they're going to release nice and easy. And you can see, like I said, this sheet literally looks like wet paint. No texture like you normally see with vinyl, nothing. Now these other graphics, believe it or not, they are for my other business to label enclosures. So again, it's really a matter of you guys taking notes on the fact that functional graphics are super popular. They make things super accessible. And again, then you have cosmetic graphics, and you can do them both basically at will. You just have to figure out what application you're working with. You see that Summa just going right through. I'll show you as soon as it's done what we've got with the left product. There we go. Okay, going over to the table. Okay guys, we are right now on the table, and again, we've got the graphics out, and you can definitely see that gloss. It's ridiculous. See if I can pan this way. And you can see where we're at. She's going to weed them real quick. And there we go. The other really cool thing about the Aqua vinyl is it does have a clear backing, which again, if you want to see what the graphic is going to look like before it's applied, makes it really easy to see the substrate you're about to apply it to. And again, right here guys. Here we go. It's easier to do it that way. And these look awesome. So again, guys, keep the questions coming. We're getting a lot more questions about this vinyl, and whatever you want to know, naturally message Joanna and I, and we'll naturally get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for your support. Take care.